Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to the new video from Convoy Cars. Once again, I would like to say I'm proud to present this beautiful diesel SUV. It's a 7-seater SUV from Hyundai. It's called Santa Fe. This is a two-wheel drive manual transmission, second owner, 1,06,000 kilometers done SUV with 10 airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, dual zone climate control, factory fitted leather seats, electrically adjustable front two seats, then integrated music system, steering mounted audio controls. There are lots of features that you get in the car, and this is very well maintained, absolutely scratchless. The left hand side front headlamp is a little hazy. There's a puncture due to which I think there's water that seeps into it. Other than that, there's no drawback that I've seen into the car. I drove it for about 25 to 30 kilometers yesterday, and I was more than happy with the car. This is actually an SUV that gives you utmost comfort, more than an XUV 500, more than a Fortuner, more than the old Endeavour, and yet comes for a very attractive price of 6,50,000 rupees only. The car is absolutely spick and span, scratchless, maintained, beautiful 7-seater SUV with 10 airbags and a dual exhausts. The tires are new on the vehicle. The number is beautiful. It's 5006 and absolutely flawless. You would just fall in love when you drive it. Being a Hyundai, maintenance is absolutely not an issue. The spare parts are cheap. The drive comfort of the car is really great. The exterior walk around we've just done right now, and as you can see, the body of the car is absolutely beautiful. The look of the car is great. The space inside the cabin is wonderful. I will take you soon inside the cabin and show you the interiors as well. However, the interior cleaning is yet not done, but I don't mind still showing it to you. And let's go check it out. So this is how the dashboard of this beast looks like. When you drive the car, you absolutely feel like you're driving a car. You're not driving an SUV. It doesn't feel like a truck, even though it is. The ground clearance of the car is really great. The space inside the cabin is absolutely wonderful. And this is the last row seating, which is being folded for now, so you can lift it up and good to go. This beast drives about 12 to 13 kilometers in city, about 14 to 15 kilometers on highways. Closer look at the tires. If people are looking for a budget SUV with a real rough and tough performance, this is the one you can go for. Low ballers, cheap offers, please don't bother. I would really not be happy answering your calls or taking negotiation calls over the phone. You come, take a look at the car, take a test drive, and then we can negotiate on the price reasonably. These are the electric seats, leather seats from factory with airbags. The driver steering airbag, the passenger airbag is there. There are two airbags on the pillars. There on that, in this, here on this one. There are two airbags here on the mid pillar. This is the rear seat. This is the roof lining, which is original from the factory. Electrically adjustable ORVM, power window switches, lock and lock switch. As I've mentioned, the interior has not yet been cleaned. The interior cleaning will take place in a day, and then the interiors would be absolutely beautiful. This is the climate control. So I put it on auto, set the temperature to 19 on both sides. This is the integrated music system. These are the steering mounted audio controls. That's the dial. There are no malfunctions on the car. The car engine is already on and there is no noise at all. There's this armrest in the front. There's an armrest at the rear. This is the gear joystick. Put it on first. Go ahead. a 200 bhp SUV, so immensely powerful. Comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Great pickup, great performance. I'm already on 60. Wow, the braking is really efficient. It doesn't at all feel like driving such a big SUV. Very light steering, very comfortable, no body roll. Absolutely feels like driving a big sedan. Very comfortable vehicle. 7-seater diesel manual with 10 airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, dual zone climate control, and each and everything in the car is working absolutely perfect. Do not pass a judgment without taking a test drive, without seeing the car. You can see it in Navi, Mumbai. Feel free to contact me on 9768001006. I've been driving lots of SUVs these days. I've driven an Outlander, I've driven a CRV, I've driven a Endeavour, I've driven a Fortuner. You can see all those videos in my channel, but I'm delighted to say that I'm most happy driving this vehicle because this is a diesel and still feels like a petrol. Because this is a big SUV and still feels like a sedan car. The comfort of the car, the comfort of this SUV, I'm sorry, I'm again and again calling it a car because it feels like a car, is top notch. There's no better SUV that I have driven till date. The most underrated, I would say, is this is the one. Alright, I will be enjoying driving the car for some more time, but can't keep holding the camera like this. So I need to sign it off now. And once again, you feel free to call me or WhatsApp me on 9768001006 if you want to take a look at the car, if you want to take a test drive. Come meet me, take a look at the car, take a test drive, and I assure you'll fall in love with it.